Hey guys, it's me, Michael. Oh my god, you can't believe it. It's, it is just raining up there, man. Holy jeez. Lightning, too. Oh man, I can't handle that heat. And I was running and I hit myself on my knee. Oh man. Okay. I fell and tripped. I know, everyone laugh, but fell and hit my knee on the ground so hard. Yeah, there's a tornado right out there right now, and everything. Hope the power doesn't go out right now. That'll be brutal if it does. Yeah, just down here, my cousin's basement. Just video games and everything. Yeah, so that's all I gotta say. Oh yeah, check my cousin's channel out. His name is Matthew Bon. Wait, blah, can't even say nothing. Matthew Aquenzi. So check him out and yeah, just check him out and he's awesome. Yeah, right now he's just upstairs and everything. So I just wanted to quick update you about that storm outside. Yeah, it was pretty brutal outside and I could have took the heat. So yeah, I had to. I could have just went upstairs. That actually hurt a bit, but yeah. Anyways. That freaking hurt. So yeah, you'll see. So yeah, and that's all I'm doing for now. Just hanging out. Gonna go doing everything. Well, guys, that's all I gotta tell you. Well, not always. There's nothing always gotta tell you. But yeah. Well, I'm gonna go out. But I can't show you, so because it's raining and everything. And yeah. Sorry guys, I was just thinking about something. But anyways, yeah. See you later guys. I'll quick update you tomorrow. See what's going on. Bye.